Can you create a Smartsheet without a license? If you're looking for a powerful spreadsheet tool to help you manage your work, you may be wondering if you can create a Smartsheet without a license. The good news is that you can. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Smartsheet without a license and how to use it to manage your work. Smartsheet is a powerful spreadsheet tool that can help you manage your work more efficiently. It's a great tool for tracking projects, managing tasks, and collaborating with others. If you're not familiar with Smartsheet, you can think of it as a combination of a spreadsheet and a project management tool. It's very flexible and can be used for a variety of purposes. How to create a Smartsheet without a license. There are two ways to create a Smartsheet without a license. Use the free version of Smartsheet. The free version of Smartsheet is limited to 3 users and 25 sheets. However, it's still a great way to get started with Smartsheet and see if it's the right tool for you. Use the trial version of Smartsheet. The trial version of Smartsheet is free to use for 30 days. It gives you access to all of the features of Smartsheet, including unlimited users and sheets. How to use Smartsheet to manage your work. Once you've created a Smartsheet, there are a number of ways you can use it to manage your work. Here are a few tips. Use sheets to track projects. Each sheet can be used to track a different project. You can use columns to track tasks, deadlines, and other important information. Use tasks to manage your work. Tasks can be assigned to specific users and can be set to different priorities. You can also track the progress of tasks and mark them as complete when they are finished. Use reports to get a quick overview of your work. Reports can be used to show you how your projects are progressing, how your tasks are being completed, and other important information. Collaborate with others. Smartsheet makes it easy to collaborate with others on your work. You can share sheets with other users and give them different permissions. Additional tips. Use templates. Smartsheet has a number of templates that you can use to get started quickly. Learn the keyboard shortcuts. There are a number of keyboard shortcuts that can help you work more efficiently in Smartsheet. Use the Smartsheet Help Center. The Smartsheet Help Center is a great resource for learning more about how to use Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful spreadsheet tool that can help you manage your work more efficiently. If you're looking for a free or trial version of Smartsheet, you can create one today. If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, please visit the Smartsheet website or watch some of the many tutorials available online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.